Do I recommend this? Oh my god, 100% yes. As you can see, this is touchscreen. I got this charger for £40 and it's a dual charger. Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are going to be reviewing a charger from Htrc, and this is the T240 Duo, and it does 240 watts, which if you don't know what that means, it just means it's fast as hell. So let's see what you get in the box. Pull this out. Oh, there's the charger. Underneath you get this manual. I'm just not gonna read that. And in this section, so you get these balance port things here. So it can do 2S batteries, 3S batteries, 4S batteries, 5S and 6S. Wow. So it's a 6S charger. Oh, got loads of cables. You get a ding, an adapter, you get one of these. And I'm guessing in here is the power supply. So this just goes straight into there. There we go. Right, so I think this is the menu of the screen. As you can see, this is touchscreen and it's actually like a phone. So you got channel 1, channel 2. So you've got Lipo, whatever that is, whatever that is, whatever that is, whatever that is. Oh, that's NIM. NiCad battery. Not sure what that is. And you got smart. You got settings. Settings here. You got buzzer volume, so you can turn it off, or you can make it really loud, which I'm just gonna make it medium. So balance speed. You've got fast, normal, slow, and that's it. Don't know why it won it on slow, so we're gonna have it on fast. Low input voltage is at 10. I'm just gonna keep it there. AC power. Oh, so you can actually change this. So you can have one channel doing 73 watts and one 77, but I'm going to try to keep them equal. Say you only have one battery, you can make one of the channels 120 watts, which is, that is pretty fast. You've also got memory right here. I've already set my memories and stuff. You can do what you want, so you can modify your memories, you can click on them. So all you need to do, plug your battery in. If it's got the same specs as these here, then you just press them one, and you just start. What you can do is you can modify them. You've got monitor here, which is when a battery's plugged in, it will show how much charge it's got and the voltage on it. And you've also got a resistance check here. So we are going to plug a battery in now, or two batteries in. So I've got this Fleurion 5500 milliamp 4S Lipo here. I've got my cables here. Now this does not come with the charger, unfortunately, so I already had these laying about. I'm just going to plug the black one into this black ring port here, and the red one into the red ring port. Plug that in there. I'll just plug my forest bombs plug into there. Now I haven't run these batteries fully, and they are pretty much on the storage charge. They're now halfway there. So we're not charging from flat here. We can actually go into this memory feature if you want to, which I've not actually set up a memory. So I'm gonna go into channel 1, which it's already set. So I'm just gonna go into channel 1, and it automatically knows it's a 4S, which is good. So I need to bump it up to 5500 amps, and then I'm going to save that, and then I can just start. There you go. Now this graph here is actually the voltage. It's just showing the voltage and stuff. So at the start it'll spike up, and then it'll go down, and it'll spike up and go down, spike up and go down. As you can see, it's already charging. All we have to do is to charge the other battery, go into channel 2, memory, 4S, start, and there you go. I'm going to now do a time lapse, so you can just see how these charge. Whilst this is charging, if you could please subscribe and like this video, that'd be great. On my YouTube, all I want to do is honest reviews. I love testing out new products and seeing what is out there in the RC world. So if you could please like and subscribe, that just means so much to me. So guys, this battery isn't fully charged, but it is pretty much charged. I mean, it's got 2% left. So it took this battery for nearly dead 38 minutes. I'd say if it was fully flat, just under an hour, which is pretty insane to say. My last charger charged one battery in 2.5 hours, and this charges one in about 50 minutes. Well, it charges 2 in 50 minutes actually. That charges very fast. if you had the maximum amount of watts, which is 240, and then you half that, which is 120 watts per channel, would probably charge these batteries in about 30 minutes. And both of them in 30 minutes, which is just absolutely mad. Bad points of this charger. So I think the bad point is that for normal power it's not 240 watts, and just what it comes with is 150. I wouldn't mind paying like £10 more if they supplied the brick that would make it 240 watts. Please add the brick that will make this 240 watts. Oh, this would be so good and could very well be one of the best chargers on the market. The other grudge I don't like about it is the fan is insanely loud. But I guess if this charger is is charging maybe if you've got two 6S batteries and you try to charge them and they've got like 6,000 milliamps, then it will need the fan. But I found the smaller batteries the fan barely turns on, but with these batteries it's almost constantly on, and it is very loud. Apart from that, it is pretty much perfect. I put a link to this bag here, guys. It's pretty good. I think I bought it for about £8, and it can hold about 6 lipos in here, and that's like big lipos, like 3 to 4 lipos. So if you had a mini ones, you could probably fit about 10 in there. Do I recommend this? Oh my god, 100%. Yes, I totally recommend this. I'm so happy that I spent my money on this. I mean, £40 for this. Like the other charger I was gonna get is a direct competitor to this. The Htrc T240 Duo. That is an okay charger, but it only does 50 watts per channel. When you try dual charge the Htrc, it only does 25 watts per channel, and if you try to do one battery, it only does 50 watts, which is crap compared to this. And this is like the same price. A normal person starting out, I mean, spending £40 on a charger might seem ridiculous, but honestly, I got this because I felt a bit scared sometimes with the safety of my cheap iMax B6 charger. I mean, it charged one of these in 2.5 hours, which is just ridiculous, man. I've actually just gotten to this and it is almost done. So it only needed about 10 more minutes. So I hope you liked this video and review. I know I did. I'm so glad I got this charger. It's just absolutely amazing. Like, £40 take my money HTRC. It's just great. It makes me want to get the HTRC 400 version, which is double the power, double the charging speed, which is just mad. But yeah, so if you like this video, please consider subscribing, because I'll be doing more honest reviews like this and try to save you more money. But yeah, so see you later, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to get more of, so you get to see these type of videos faster and sooner, and you get notified quicker. Anyway, see you later, and hope you have a very good day.